Good day, my dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare and barbecue a rainbow trout. I'm using these tools to clear the scales, and there are lots of different things available, but if you cannot get any of those, you can make one yourself by getting a piece of wood and putting nails through it, say about 20 nails, put them in from one side so that they come out half away the other side, and then use that to scale the fish. The scales on rainbow trout are not too big. There are small ones, nevertheless we have to get them all out. I'm turning the water on. The tap water is actually helping the scales not to fly around and just get washed down. Now I'm going to get rid of the fins using a cutter. I know this makes the video a bit longer, but I've been asked by friends to show everything in preparing the fish. So I'm listening and showing you everything. So now we need to get rid of the gills, and I use a knife and a cutter to get them out. Gotta watch it. These are a bit sharp, and don't cut your hand with it. So we get the gills out from both sides. And now I'm going to cut the middle, starting from tail to the head, and very close to the bone, so that we can have the fish open, so that the marinade would get inside it. And as you can see, I'm getting very close to the bone, but don't go too far down, don't cut deep, so that the knife doesn't come out of the other side. Just enough to have the fish open, just like this. And as I said, be careful not to poke it. Right. We make sure it's all nice and clean. We don't want any extra skin or chips that the fish has got. And yeah, wash it thoroughly. And then leave it on a tray, and spray some salt and a little bit of turmeric. Then we put a piece of parchment on a metal tray, and transfer the fish on that one, and then preheat the oven to 350 and put the fish in the oven to cook, but not too much, just a little bit. Now, while that is being done, we prepare the paste that goes inside the stomach, that is using the chopped onions, this bit I did so that you don't waste your time. And now the garlic and coriander, and parsley. Now we put the cap on and turn the food processor on so that we get our paste. I would like to thank all the friends who have subscribed and give me thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and also I love your comments. Just keep it going to make me keep going. Okay, now the paste is ready. We're gonna put it in a bowl and wait for fish to get ready. Now the fish is ready, and we are now adding the herb mixture on top of it. Try to cover as much as you can. As you can notice, I didn't add any spice on it because this is going to be a totally different taste to the stuffed fish that we made before. Now I changed the tray to a bigger one so that I have more space, and now I'm going to add some aromatic herbs. I grow these herbs in my backyard. They're all organic, and they're a mixture of rosemary, lovage, oregano, thyme, lemon balm, tarragon, and basil. So I spray all that over the fish, and believe me, it's going to give it such a nice taste. Now put the heat on 350 and put the fish inside on the top rack. Now after about 15 minutes or so, I changed the heat from oven to grill so that we broil the fish from the top as well. For doing so, I spray some olive oil on top of the fish so that it helps cook the top. You don't need to keep it there on the grill too much. Just broil it enough. Before it changes color, you gotta get it out. Now the fish is ready. I've put it on a serving plate, and I'm going to garnish it with some slices of orange and some colorful bell peppers, the small pieces of bell pepper. For garnish, it's all your choice. Put anything you like around to make it look nice. Okay, our fish is ready, and you're welcome to come and try.